Hi everyone, welcome to Chandan Logics. You all know that students who are preparing for bank, SSC, railway, police, defense, CSAT and other competitive exams are very familiar about Chandan Logics. Why the reason is, Chandan Logics have trained lakhs of students, and out of those lakhs of students, already thousands of students secured government jobs in various sectors. Now, how this is possible to us? This is possible to us only because of our expert faculty team and our exclusive designed curriculum for examination. If you observe our expert faculty team, each and every faculty is having vast experience and they're having in-depth subject knowledge based on the present examination pattern, and they have trained lakhs of students. And coming to our curriculum, we have designed our curriculum in such a way that our video lectures are completely digital interactive video lectures where we are going to teach each and every subject in depth, complete concept oriented teaching and complete time saving techniques based on the recent examinations. And we are going to conduct mock examinations also. These mock examinations are exclusively based on the real time experience of what actual examination is going to happen. And we are going to provide you complete concept oriented PDF materials also. If you are a serious aspirant and looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, download Chandan Logics app. Of the 5 villages P, Q, R, S and T situated close to each other, P is to the west of Q. So P is going to be west of Q it seems. Let us say this is Q. So west of Q, P it seems. P is to the west of Q. R is to the south of P. R is going to be to the south of P. R is to the south of P. T is to the north of Q. T is to the north of Q. S is to the east of T. S is to the east of T. Now this is T and it is said S. S is to the east of T. S is to the east of T. Then R is in which direction with respect to S? So our question is R is in which direction? R is in which direction with respect to S? So when we look from S, R is going to be in which direction? That is our question. Just look here. What is this direction? You say this. So once if you are able to say, now this is going to be our answer. Now if you observe, for S, this is going to be south. This is going to be west. Now between south west, so we can say answer for this question is going to be southwest direction. Okay, so southwest direction, option 3 is going to be our answer. Okay, this is the exact question that came in examination. Just it's a matter of representing diagram, nothing more than that. Okay, so once if you're able to represent the diagram, our question is clearly mentioned. R is in which direction with respect to S. So looking from S, when you look from S, R is in which direction? R is in southwest direction. Is that clear? Let us look at the next question. The post office is to the east of school. So post office to the east of school it seems. Let us say this is school. For school east, post office is there. Post office is to the east of school. While my house is to the south of school. House is to the south of school it seems. So this is school. For school south is nothing but house. House is to the south of school. The market is to the north of post office. Market is to the north of post office. So market is to the north of post office. If the distance of market from post office is equal to distance of my house from the school it seems. In which direction is the market with respect to my school? Okay, now we need to know in which direction is market with respect to school. So with respect to school, market is going to be in which direction? Now this is our question. Okay, now observe here. Now if you observe, this is school, this is market. Now I need to know in which direction is market with respect to school. For school, this is going to be north. This is going to be east. So between north east, so we can say answer is going to be northeast direction. Yes or no? So northeast direction, which is going to be option 3. Okay, very simple. Just read the question carefully, represent the diagram. Once if you are going to represent, solving these type of questions will be very simple. Let us look at the next question. 7 villages A, B, C, D, E, F and G are situated as follows. E is 2 km to the west of B. F is 2 kilometer to the north of A. C is 1 kilometer to the west of A. D is 2 kilometer to the south of G. G is 2 kilometer to the east of C. D is exactly in the middle of B and E. Now using these 6 statements, we need to represent the diagram. Once we represent the diagram, we have some questions based upon this. Okay. Now let us represent the diagram. Read the statements and represent the diagram for this. Okay. Look here. So we have total how many villages? 7 villages. First statement, E is 2 kilometer to the west of B. Let us say this is B. If this is B, E is 2 kilometer west. E is 2 kilometer west of B. So E is going to be 2 kilometer to the west of B. Okay. This is B. For B, 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer west, there is E. So E is 2 kilometer to the west of B. Next statement is F is 2 kilometer to the north of A. But we don't have any use. Why? Means here the statement is with respect to EB. With respect to EB, again if you observe here you have with respect to EB. So read this statement. D is exactly in the middle of BE. So D is going to be exactly in the middle, it seems. So this is going to be D. D is exactly in the middle of EB. Which means distance between BD is going to be 1 kilometer. Distance between ED also going to be 1 kilometer. Why? Means it is exactly in the middle of EB. Okay. Let us look at the next statement. Next, with respect to D, you have one more statement. D is 2 kilometers south of G. D is going to be south of G, it seems. D is 2 kilometers to south of G. So D is going to be 2 kilometers to the south of G. So D is 2 kilometers south of G. So this is G. For G, 2 kilometers south, there is D. Next, with respect to G, we have one more statement. G is 2 kilometers to the east of C. So G is going to be 2 kilometers east of C. So G is going to be 2 kilometers east of C. G will be 2 kilometers east of C. Next, with respect to C, C is 1 kilometer to west of A. C is going to be 1 kilometer to west of A. C is going to be 1 kilometer to west of A, means now A is going to be at this point. Yes, A is going to be at this point. If A is at this point, C is going to be 1 kilometer west of A. Yes or no? C is going to be 1 kilometer west of A. Which means A is going to be exactly in the middle of CG. Yes or no? Exactly in the middle of CG. Which means distance between CA is 1 kilometer. Distance between AG is also 1 kilometer. Is that clear? Why? Means it's clearly mentioned in the question. C is 1 kilometer to west of A. So definitely A should be here. For A, 1 kilometer west, there is a C. If this is 1 kilometer, even this should be 1 kilometer. Why? Means distance between these two is 2 kilometers. Next, F is 2 kilometer to the north of A. This is A. For A, 2 kilometer north. For A, 2 kilometer north. Who is there? F. F is 2 kilometer to the north of A. So this is the representation. Now once we are able to represent this diagram carefully, then solving questions will be very simple. Okay. So this is the representation. Now let us look at questions based upon this. Now look at the first question. A is in the middle of, look, A is in the middle of CG. Yes or no? CG. So answer is going to be CG. That is G and C. Okay. Next one. Which two villages are farthest from one another? So we are supposed to know farthest villages. Which two villages are far away from each other? Now if we observe here, this is F. Okay. And this is B. Now I can say FB are far away. Yes or no? FB are far away. Look at the options. FB, sorry, just a minute. Look at the options. Now if you observe, do we have FB? Yes, we have FB. Let us look at this also. DC. Let us look at DC. Now if you observe, where is D? This is D. This is C. Yes or no? If you look at DC, obviously distance between DC is going to be how much? Now actually if you look here, this is 2. This is 2. When you apply distance between them, obviously our answer will be less than 4. Yes or no? So this can't be our answer. Yes. So this can't be our answer. So DC can't be our answer. FE. Look at FE. Where is FE? This is F. This is E. Now if you look, this is the straight line. So 2 plus 2. Yes or no? Straight line. Which is going to be 4. Yes. So even this is going to be a wrong answer. Look at FB. Look at FB. If you look at FB, what happened? If you look at FB, this is F, this is B. If you want to calculate the distance, then what happened? This is going to be 4. This is going to be 2. When you apply Pythagoras theorem, definitely this value will be more than 4 only. Yes or no? More than 4. Yes. Okay. Let us look at the next one also. Next one. So let us look at next one. Next option is GE. GE. Next option is GE. So this is G, this is E. Now obviously anyway, if you observe here, this will be less than 4 only. I mean this is 2 and this is 1. So definitely I can say farthest places means FB is going to be an answer. So fourth option also wrong answer, second option wrong answer, first option wrong answer. Okay. Which two places are far away from each other means FB. So FB are far away from each other. Yes or no? So this is F, this is B. So both these places are far away from each other. What about next question? We have one more question. Next one is, how far is E from F in kilometer as the crow flies? So we are supposed to know distance between EF. Calculate distance between EF. Where is E? E is here. Where is F? F is here. Yes or no? So just know the distance. If you calculate the distance, now distance will be straight line. Yes or no? Why means this is 1 kilometer. Obviously this also 1 kilometer. Yes. So distance between EF is nothing but this straight line. Yes. If this is the straight line, we know this is 2. Already we know this is 2. So 2 plus 2 it is going to be 4. So we can say distance between them is going to be 4 kilometers, which is option 1. Is that clear? So option 1 is going to be our answer. 4 kilometer. Very, very simple. We have total 3 questions. Once if you are able to represent the diagram, then solving these 3 questions will be very simple. Sometimes in examination you will be getting a set of 3 questions directly. Then it's a matter of just representing the diagram. Once if you are able to represent, then you can solve these 3 questions very easily. Yes or no? So let us look at the next question. Next one. Dev, Kumar, Nilesh, Ankur and Pintu are standing facing to the north in a playground such that Kumar is at 40 meter to the right of Ankur, Dev is at 60 meter in the south of Kumar, Nilesh is at a distance of 25 meter in the west of Ankur, Pintu is at a distance of 90 meter in the north of Dev. Now this is the question. Okay, this is the question. Okay. Now if you observe, we have some questions based upon this. Okay, we have some questions based upon this. Observe carefully. We have some questions. Actually, based upon this, we have some questions. Now questions are, look here. Here we have total 3 questions. So we can answer these 3 questions once we are able to represent the diagram. So we have to represent the diagram. Once we are able to represent the diagram, then obviously we can solve these 3 questions very easily. So all these 3 questions combined to there is a set. Okay, let us look at the question. So what question is saying? It is said that all of them are facing towards north. Kumar is 40 meter to the right of Ankur. Let us say this is Ankur. Okay, for Ankur 40 meter right. As we know that all the persons are facing towards north, right is same as our right. Yes or no? Right is same as our right. So it is said that this is our right. Yes. How many meters? How many meters means 40 meters. It is said Kumar is at 40 meter right of Ankur. This is Ankur. For Ankur 40 meters right, there is Kumar. Dev is at 60 meter in the south of Kumar. Dev is at 60 meters south of Kumar means this is Kumar. For Kumar 60 meters south. For Kumar 60 meters south, who is there? For Kumar 60 meters south, Dev is there. Yes or no? Dev is 60 meters south. Dev is 60 meters south of Kumar. Okay? Dev is going to be 60 meters south of Kumar. Nilesh is at a distance of 25 meter in the west of Ankur. This is Ankur. For Ankur west. For Ankur how many meters west? 25 meters west. 25 meters west. Who is there? It seems Nilesh. Nilesh is at a distance of 25 meter to the west of Ankur. Pintu is at a distance of 90 meter in the north of Dev. This is Dev. For Dev 90 meters north. 90 meters north means already this is 60. We need 30 more. Yes or no? We need 30 more. So total it is going to be 60 plus 30, 90. So it is said Pinto is at a distance of 90 meter to the north of Dev. For Dev 90 meter north, who is there it seems? Who is there? Pinto is there, Pinto. Okay, this is the representation. Once our representation is completed, then solving those questions will be very simple. Is that clear? Now let us look at the questions. Now if you look, what is the first question? In which direction is Pinto with respect to Nilesh? We need to know Pinto with respect to Nilesh. Pinto with respect to Nilesh. Now this is Nilesh. Now I need to know Pinto is in which direction with respect to Nilesh. Now look here, I need to know what is this direction, yes or no? I need to know what is the direction. Now if you observe, this is north, this is east. So direction between northeast, direction between northeast is nothing but northeast direction, yes or no? So we can say answer for this is going to be northeast direction, yes? Which means Pinto is in which direction with respect to Nilesh means northeast direction. Is that clear? Next. If a boy starting from Nilesh met to Ankur and then to Kumar and after this he to Dev and then to Pinto, the time he walked in a straight line, then how much distance totally he covered? So we need to know total distance covered. So what boy have done? So boy started from Nilesh it seems. Look here, boy started from Nilesh. After that he went to Ankur and then Kumar and then after Dev. Look here, first he will go to Nilesh, after that Ankur, after that Kumar, after that Dev and again back to Pinto. Okay, he is traveling in a straight line. If he travel in a straight line, total how much distance he traveled? That is our question. Now if you observe, total distance traveled means here he is covering a distance of 25 plus 40, 65, yes or no? Here he is covering a distance of 25 plus 40, 65. Similarly, he is coming to Dev and he is going back, which means he is covering 60 plus 60, he is covering 120, yes. Again he is going to Pinto, he is covering extra 30, yes or no? Which means 150 plus 65. So 150 plus 65, what is the total distance covered? 150 plus 65, total distance covered is nothing but how much? So total distance covered is 215 meters. Is it clear? Why means total distance covered is nothing but 25 plus 40 plus 60 plus 60 plus 30. Yes or no? When you add all of them together, total distance covered is nothing but 215 meters. Okay, 215 meters. Next, look at the last question. Who is to the northwest of? Who is to the northwest of the person who is to the right of Kumar? So question is saying who is to the northwest of the person who is to the right of Kumar. Look here, who is to the right of Kumar? Actually this is Kumar. Yes, actually this is Kumar. So question is saying who is to the north, just a minute. Question is saying who is to the northwest? Who is to the northwest of person right to Kumar? Person right to Kumar means, now this is Kumar. Kumar right means this one. Yes or no? Kumar right. Now question is saying who is to the northwest of person to the right of Kumar. Actually if you observe, right of Kumar no one is there. Right of Kumar no one is there. But it doesn't matter. According to the question, who is to the northwest of person to the right of Kumar. So let us say person is sitting here or here or here or here or here, what it may be. If we observe, who is to the northwest means in the northwest direction. Who is there in the northwest direction means my answer is P. Yes or no? Why means if you observe right of Kumar, whether the person is sitting here or here or here or here or here, whatever the position it may be, for any person sitting to the right of Kumar, for them northwest who is there means northwest, Pinto is there in the northwest. Yes or no? So we can say answer for this question is going to be Pinto. Is that clear? And don't select no one is sitting to the right of Kumar. According to the question it is said who is in the northwest of person who sit to the right of Kumar. Whether the person is sitting to the right of Kumar or not, it's a secondary thing. But according to the question, if someone is sitting to the right of Kumar, for them northwest, who is going to be in the northwest means obviously Pinto will be the northwest. So we can say answer for this question is going to be Pinto. Is that clear? Very simple. Even these type of questions can come in examination directly, 3 questions at a set. So these three questions you have to solve means you need to represent this diagram. So you need to read the question carefully and you need to represent the diagram. Once if you are able to represent the diagram, then obviously solving this will become very, very simple. Is that clear? So let us look at the next question. We have one more question. Look at this. Kabul is located 2 kilometers away to the northwest of Punjab. Rohtak is located 2 kilometers in the southwest direction from Kabul. Malghat is another place and is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest of Rohtak. Talu is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from Malghat. In which direction is Talu from Punjab? So we need to know Talu is in which direction from Punjab. Look here, questions said that Kabul is located 2 kilometers away from the northwest of Punjab. So look here, this is Punjab, okay? For Punjab northwest, this is Punjab. For Punjab northwest means this is north, this is west. So northwest means in this way, okay? For Punjab northwest, who is there? It seems Kabul is there. Kabul is located 2 kilometers away to the northwest of Punjab. Next, Rohtak is located 2 kilometers to the southwest direction of Kabul. This is Kabul. For Kabul southwest, now this is south, this is west. So southwest means in between, yes or no? For Kabul southwest 2 kilometers, for Kabul southwest 2 kilometers, what is located? Rohtak is located. Rohtak is located 2 kilometers in the southwest direction of Kabul. Next, Malghat is another place and is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest of Rohtak. Look here, northwest of Rohtak. Now look here, this is north, this is west. Northwest means in between. So northwest, what is there? 2 kilometers northwest. What is there means Malghat. Malghat is 2 kilometers northwest to Rohtak. Next one. Talu is located 2 kilometers away in southwest direction from Malghat. Look at this is Malghat. So from Malghat southwest direction, this is south, this is west. So southwest direction means in between. Yes or no? Now 2 kilometers away, what is located? What is located means Talu. Talu is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from Malghat. Now what is our question? In which direction is Talu from Punjab? Our question is to know in which direction is Talu from Punjab. Yes or no? From Punjab. Now if you observe here, this is in which direction means actually these two are in the straight line. Yes or no? As these two are in the straight line. Now what is this direction means? What is this direction means? Now we can say our answer is going to be west direction. Yes or no? So in which direction is Talu with respect to Punjab? With respect to Punjab means now from Punjab Talu is in this direction. Now this direction is nothing but west. So we can say answer is going to be west direction. Okay? Very, very simple. Just read the question carefully. Once you are able to read the question carefully, you can solve this. Okay? With this model is completed. So this model is very easy. It is just a matter of understanding the question. Once if you are able to understand the question, then you can solve all the questions with respect to this model very easily. But you need to represent the diagram carefully. Representing the diagram is very important. While representing the diagram, you need to have basic idea. You need to have basic idea about the directions, whatever we have discussed in our introduction class. Once we have proper idea about basics, then automatically representing them will be very simple. Once you are able to represent, then solving questions also will be very simple. Yes or no? If you are a serious aspirant and if you are looking for the right platform to achieve your dream job, immediately download Chandan app. For more details, contact below numbers. Thank you. All the best.